Question 9, make a plot of vertical position y versus time t. So we're going to do the linest function first on this. I'm going to 3 rows for 3 parameters, intercept ax and ax squared terms, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, equal linest, okay, left parentheses, need the y's. Sometimes it doesn't work if you don't map out the cells first, like I just did. So there's that. All right, so then next it's a caret, curly brace, first parameter 1, ax squared term 2, right curly brace, comma, true, true, right parentheses, check it, looks good. Control Shift Enter simultaneously. There they are. Okay, so those are the parameters. This is the ax squared term, bx, and intercept c. Probably know what the others are. Here, they would be these terms here. Copy and paste, and we'll format that. Okay. Okay, so then next we want to do a graph, and so we'll do insert, chart, scatter. Actually, delete that. We're going to do a graph next, so select the x and the y's. We'll do a insert, scatter. There it is there. We'll right click. We'll do move chart. We'll call it 9. You can call it what you like. Enter. There it is there. Okay, so then we want to do a trend line on this, a quadratic trend line. So I'll click on one of the points here. I'll do right click, try it again, add trend line. There it is there. And we want a polynomial. It's already set up for second order. Okay, so I'll scroll down. We want to display the equation on the chart and the r squared. So we've done that. There it is right there. Before we go further, we want to add more decimal places for the coefficients. If you don't do that now, you can't do it later. It won't let you edit the number of decimal places. So I'm going to select on that, and I'm going to right click, format trend line label, and over here, number, and we'll just do 10 decimal places. Enter. There they are. And then what I'll do, I'll select everything, make it bold, make it big enough to read, 16, and then I'll just move it over here. Okay. It's okay. So there's that. So then we want to add some titles to this. So I'll come up here to chart title, and this is going to be a plot of home. See, right click, font, 18. Looks good. So then we'll do we'll do chart design, add chart element. You can do it over here, upper left or over here, and we'll do axes titles. So this one here, do that one first. Select everything. Right click, font and make it big enough to read them. Do 16 there. Then we'll do axis title. I think I need to move this up a bit. I'll take that one, move it up, maybe down. I need to make these numbers bigger. Right click on any number, font. Right click over here, font 13. Need to move this graph over. Now what happened to my axis title here? So I guess we add it again. Axis titles. There they are. So home, font 16, time. Okay, 16. We can position this. Take this. Just the graph. That looks better. Okay, maybe center that a bit more. It says to add a text box, vertical. Let's see. We'll do insert text box, and maybe right here to start with. Come on. The vertical. Okay. I'll take this. So there it is there. We will put it here. Right click. 15. Get like a text. Get that out. Maybe put that there. Okay, we'll do file save. Then we add error bars, right? So I'll do chart design, chart element, error bars, more error bars option. This one over here, come down, custom, specify value. I go to the data, and it looks like this column here, uncertainty and vertical position. That's what it says. So I'm going to select those. You can hardly see it. To the next one here. Oh, I have to go back. Do the same thing again. Okay, so there it is there. And we need to erase. You can't even see these error bars because these numbers are so tiny, they don't show up on the graph. So if I do 9 redo here, and if I did view, and I did maybe 200 on this here, then I clicked, actually, I think I need to do chart design. Let's see, error bars. Now you can see them, okay? So I don't know if you have the wrong uncertainties or what on that, whether I think they would have to be about 0.02 to be able to see them. And yours are 0.007. I'll go back to this here. And maybe even 275. So that's number 9 there. That's everything.